I express my gratitude. I am very grateful to the AICC leadership because our CLP adopted a resolution interesting the Congress President to take a decision. Congress President having discussion with Congress President and Rahul ji, Priyanka ji and all other leaders, in charge General Secretary, they discussed with all the leaders. That was the procedure. Former President's Working Committee members, the cross section of the people, they discussed, they have taken a decision. Now, I dedicate this Chief Ministership to the people of Kerala. We have offered many things to the people. We are going through the vulnerable situation. We have to make changes. We have to start a new era. I promise to the people of Kerala that there should be a new Kerala. For the youngsters, those who are coming up, the next generation, for the next generation also, we will be very careful. We will dedicate. We are going to change the definition of political work. I hope that political work should be a dedication to the people to change their living standard and for the work for the sideline people.
ഞാൻ നിങ്ങൾ എന്തിനാ കഷ്ടപ്പെട്ടു ഇവിടം വരെ വന്നു? ഞാൻ സംസാരിക്കില്ല.
കിട്ടിയ ഇല്ല ചോദിച്ചു വാങ്ങിയത്
മൈക്കിൻ്റെ ഐഡിയ മാത്രം
ഞാൻ നിങ്ങൾ എന്തിനാ കഷ്ടപ്പെട്ടു ഇവിടം വരെ വന്നു? ഞാൻ സംസാരിക്കില്ല.
പറഞ്ഞു കൊടുക്കുന്നത്
കിട്ടിയ ഇല്ല ചോദിച്ചു വാങ്ങിയത്
മൈക്കിൻ്റെ ഐഡിയ മാത്രം